Well, I'm making a short teaser video on a project that I don't know how long it'll be before it's done, but I'd like to be starting on it this summer. I got a lot of things going on, but these tractor tires were just picked up the other day from a local guy. Trying to keep my money around here and not send it off to China, which is pretty hard to do these days. Anyway, these are some Jeep Cherokee wheels I'm running backwards. 760-15s. So they're a 6-ply front tractor tire. I won't tell you what kind because I don't want you all buying them up, but this is an old trencher chassis, and it's incredible. I mean, quality on this thing is incredible. It's mountain steel. It's back here in my little junkyard. This is a little PeeWee skidder me and the boy are building, and it's full hydrostatic. This is the old trencher chain. This is going to be hydraulic swing grapple. I'm hoping to have a grapple out to here, double jointed, so almost like a backhoe, different cylinder orientation, but I'm hoping to have a 3-finger grapple like that style, so it can really bite small stuff. Maybe shearing, or if I get very crafty, I wouldn't mind if it had a hydraulic bar saw, so I'd be able to drive up on a log or swing to the side, grab a log right at the, right below the crotch, grab it, lift a little, and cut it so that I could let it go, come up to the front and grab the log and pull away. Really cool machine. I'm excited about it. You're going to miss it if you don't subscribe, so you might as well. It don't cost you nothing. Thank you and God bless. I love you, Soph.
Love you too.
Plus 1 on everything you say. Up, 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 up. Oh, 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 oh. Up, 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 up.